My name is Justin Slosky, and I live in Sierra Madre, California, and I love it here because I'm a gardening fanatic and I'm a father of 3 crazy little kids. I wanted to get a bike because my wife and I only have 1 car, and I'm a big green proponent, so I really didn't want to get another car, and so I was trying to think of some better way I could get around. I had my super fun retro vintage bike that my wife got me during the pandemic, and then I wanted to see if there was a way I could cyborg it to be electric, and magically there was, and so I was totally sold, and here I am. I work from home, so there really wasn't a need for me to have my own personal car. So when I'm not working at home, I like doing work at cafes, sometimes bars. You know, I could do all that with a bike, and with my electric bike, I could go into a wide range of cafes/bars. I like that I could, it's sustainable. I don't have to just get a brand new piece of machinery and throw my bike away. I thought that would be terribly wasteful. And I think the battery is very sleek looking. I can't wait to upgrade to the Max to get a little bit more oomph. It took me 2 days and a couple hours, 2 days to get over the intimidation. But then once I did, I opened it up. It was really quite simple, and the instructions were very clear. I liked that, it was so customizable, and it was an easy process, I'd say under 2 hours. And if you love your bike, if you love the earth, it's a great solution if you want to have an e-bike right now. I haven't seen this before, so this is new to me. I like that everything is in one place. I think that's really handy. I like that it can all be easily attached and detached because, I'm always worried about theft. So this way, I could remove it easily if need be. And more than anything else, I love the fact that it has, you said 60 miles range. That's incredible. That's like a real game changer.